shining in the brightest light, and I can feel you holding on to me so tight. I can taste your drink still stuck on your lips. You've got a hold of me in every sense. Eternity in our stare, we shared a lifetime. Gotta keep this energy between the two